Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include iPod adapter, steering wheel controls, hill assist system, USB audio interface, ultra-low emissions vehicle. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2020 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, backup camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Come see the car for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.